I'm back. For real this time. Man, it's been a while. We're 63 subscribers strong. From what I remember, the last time I posted, we were at 50 subscribers. I'm kind of feeling like Corey Kenshin right now.
Wow.
But nah, pretty much I stopped posting because of burnout. Burnout from my job, burnout from not having or running out of ideas. Now, I'm here. I have a suggestion. Let me know what kind of video you like me to post pertaining to Java in the comments below. I will be having HTML and CSS tutorials coming, so stay tuned for those. But till then, I'll see y'all soon.